This is tutorial 15, and it is the chamfer angle and distance feature within SOLIDWORks. To start off, open up the chamfer tutorial part, which I have included on the DVD. Once that's open, let's click chamfer, click angle and distance, and let's change the distance to 10 millimeters and the angle to 45 degrees. For a chamfer, all you have to do is click one of the edges, so let's click this edge, and the yellow lines show the preview of what our chamfer will look like. Click OK, and now we've cut into the part using that chamfer. Now let's cut out using the same parameters as last time. So let's click chamfer with the same parameters as last time. Let's click this line, and now we're chamfering out, adding material to the part using the same parameters. Click OK, and there's our chamfer coming out. Now let's chamfer with different distances and angles. So let's do a distance of 17.5 and let's do an angle of 15 degrees. For this one, let's click this line here, and we're able to see in the preview what our chamfer will look like. By clicking this, we can flip the direction in which our chamfer will go. So let's click and make it go in that way. Click accept, and now we've chamfered off that edge. This concludes our tutorial on the chamfer angle and distance feature within SOLIDWORks.